asking people what brand is their microwave. PD1. But anywho, first person we have is Autumn. Okay, now let's really get started. What brand is your microwave?
What?
What brand is your microwave?
Nigga. I don't know.
Dog, how do you not? Next up is Layla. What brand is your microwave?
Nigga what?
Bah ha 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 ha. Now next we have Riley. What brand is your microwave?
Huh?
Nigga, what brand is your microwave?
I don't know.
Because you're a nigga. Now next we have Mari. What brand is your microwave?
I don't fucking know.
Now next we have Kate. What brand is your microwave?
Nigga, I don't fucking know.
Dog. Now we have Azzy. What brand is your microwave?
Girl, what?
Now next we have Kimora. What brand is your microwave?
I don't know.
Next we have Kaden. What brand is your microwave?
Why would you like to know this specific request?
Okay, love you guys. Don't forget to smile.